Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your content performance in Google Search Console. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Search Console in your web browser. Log into your account using your credentials. Select the property you want to analyze from the list. On the left sidebar, click on Performance. You will now see a summary of your site's performance metrics. Look for the date range selector at the top of the page. Click on it to choose the time period you want to analyze. After selecting your desired date range, click Apply. Scroll down to view key performance indicators like total clicks, total impressions, and average position. To analyze specific queries, click on the Queries tab. You will see the search terms that brought users to your site. Take note of clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and average position for each query. You can filter this data by clicking on the Filter button. Choose parameters like country, device, or search type to narrow your results. Next, click on the Pages tab to see performance metrics by URL. This will help you identify which pages are performing well or need improvement. To check performance by device, select the Device tab. This will give insights into how users are accessing your site. Finally, take screenshots or notes of the data for future reference. Review your findings and plan adjustments to improve content performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.